Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Podcast for Everyone.
My name is Lisa, and I'm with Mike here. How are you, Mike?
I'm doing really well. How about you?
I'm doing great. I'm really excited because today we're talking about unplugging from technology. Let's start?
Nice, I love to talk about technology.
Let's go. From our laptops to our phones, we're glued to screens all day.
Absolutely, Lisa. Ever thought about what it would be like to unplug completely?
You mean no internet at all? That sounds tough.
It's called a digital detox, cutting off from everything digital. It's becoming a trend, especially among young people.
Interesting. Today we've got someone who's done several digital detoxes and is here to share her experience.
That's right, Lisa. Let's welcome Amanda Vince to our conversation. Hi, Amanda.
Welcome, Amanda.
Thanks for having me.
Amanda, you work for a fashion magazine in London, right? That must keep you online a lot.
Oh, definitely. I'm flooded with emails daily, always browsing fashion sites and videos.
And social media too, I bet?
Yes, Twitter, Instagram, always sharing what we're doing, interacting with designers, influencers. It's nonstop.
Wow, that's intense. So how did the idea of a digital detox come to you?
I read this book, Log Off: How to Stay Connected After Disconnecting by Blake Snow. It gave me some great tips and got me thinking.
What was the first thing you tried?
I started by removing distractions, turning off alerts, buzzes, and notifications.
That sounds simple enough. What difference did it make?
It was a game changer. I wasn't constantly drawn to my phone anymore.
I think we're all guilty of checking our phones too much. Did you find out why you were doing it?
Yes, most of the time it was to avoid or ignore something else. It had become automatic.
I know the feeling, but sometimes what else can you do when you're waiting around?
True, it's great for passing time, but I noticed I was doing it even with people around.
That's a big realization. Turning off notifications is one thing, but how did you take it further?
Well, my partner and I tried a weekend with no screens at all. It was tough, but very rewarding.
A whole weekend? That sounds daunting.
I think it's important to go at your own pace. If a weekend is too much, start with an evening.
Did it make you want to try more?
Definitely. We're planning to go screen-free for a whole week this summer.
That's impressive. Let's see what our listeners think. You can reach out to us. And oh, wait, should I be saying that?
Maybe not, Mike. We'll be back after the break.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.